With CutExpert, thanks to a dedicated software option, it is possible to quickly and effortlessly perform machining operations on structured profiles, such as H-beams, square, or rectangular tubes. This specific function is designed exclusively for working on the outer faces of these profiles, and not for performing initial or final cuts. Starting from a DXF or DWG file created with your preferred CAED software, in this example, generated using our 3D software, Sync 3D, we export the file to be processed. I open CutExpert. If not already present, I create a new batch. I import the previously saved file, in this case, ipe.dxf. I select the batch and click the Optimize button. After confirming, CutExpert displays the result. As we can see, the edges of the H-beam are represented as the boundaries of the work area, and the cutting path is limited exclusively to the holes and slots within the profile. Continuing with the simulation, we can clearly see that the cutting path ends with the last circular cut, without affecting the external perimeter of the H-beam. We then position the H-beam on the plasma cutting table, set the correct origin point, confirm the setup, and start the plasma cutting process.